A turtle is a reptile that belongs to the order Testudines, which includes both terrestrial and aquatic species. Turtles are characterized by their bony or cartilaginous shell that encases and protects their body. This unique shell is composed of two parts, the carapace, the upper portion, and the plastron, the lower portion. The shell is fused to the turtle's vertebrae and ribs, providing them with a natural armor for defense. Turtles have a diverse range of sizes, from just a few centimeters in length to over 2 meters. They have a flattened, streamlined body shape, which aids in swimming for aquatic species. The limbs of turtles have evolved for various lifestyles. Terrestrial turtles have sturdy, weight-bearing limbs, while aquatic turtles often have webbed feet for efficient swimming. The shell is the most distinctive feature of turtles and sets them apart from other reptiles. It provides protection from predators and environmental hazards. The shell is made of bone and covered with scales or scuts, which can vary in size, shape, and pattern among species. Turtles can retract their head, legs, and tail into the shell when they feel threatened, allowing them to hide and shield their vulnerable body parts. Turtles inhabit a wide range of environments, including oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds, marshes, and terrestrial habitats such as forests and grasslands. Aquatic turtles are skilled swimmers and spend most of their lives in water. Terrestrial turtles are adapted for life on land but often need access to water for drinking and occasional bathing. Many species of turtles are cold-blooded, which means their body temperature is regulated by their environment. The diet of turtles varies based on their habitat and species. Aquatic turtles typically eat a diet consisting of aquatic plants, insects, small fish, and other aquatic creatures. Terrestrial turtles often consume a diet of vegetation, fruits, and occasionally insects. Turtles reproduce by laying eggs, usually in a nest dug in the ground. The sex of the offspring is determined by the incubation temperature, with warmer temperatures typically producing females and cooler temperatures producing males. Parental care varies among species. Some species lay their eggs and leave them to hatch on their own, while others may exhibit varying degrees of maternal care. Many turtle species are facing threats due to habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and poaching. The slow growth and late maturity of turtles make them particularly vulnerable to population declines. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting critical habitats, implementing stricter regulations against illegal trade, and conducting breeding and reintroduction programs. Turtles have a significant ecological role within their respective ecosystems and hold cultural importance in various societies around the world. They have existed for millions of years and continue to be a fascinating and essential part of our planet's biodiversity. Turtles belong to the order Testudines, which is further divided into two suborders, Cryptodira and Pleurodira. The suborder Cryptodira includes most turtle species, and their neck retracts in a vertical S shape into the shell. The Pleurodira, also known as side-neck turtles, have a more limited range of neck retraction, and their heads move horizontally into the shell. Turtle shells exhibit various sizes, shapes, and textures, depending on the species and their habitat. The scuts, scales, on the shell can be used to identify different species. The patterns and colorations of these scuts also vary widely, providing camouflage and protection in their respective environments. Turtles can be broadly categorized into aquatic and terrestrial types. Aquatic turtles. These turtles spend a significant portion of their lives in water. They have webbed feet or flippers that make them adept swimmers. Some examples of aquatic turtles include sea turtles, softshell turtles, and sliders. Terrestrial turtles. These turtles are primarily land-dwelling, although they may still require access to water for drinking and bathing. Box turtles, tortoises, and many side-neck turtles fall into this category. Turtles are known for their longevity. Some species can live for several decades, and there have been reports of certain tortoises living well over 100 years. Their slow metabolism and low energy requirements contribute to their extended lifespans. Turtles communicate using various methods, including visual cues, tactile signals, and vocalizations. While not all turtles are vocal, some emit sounds, especially during courtship and mating. These sounds can include hissing, grunting, or even high-pitched calls. Many sea turtle species are known for their remarkable long-distance migrations. They travel thousands of miles between feeding and nesting areas. It's believed that they use Earth's magnetic fields and environmental cues to navigate during these migrations. Turtles hold cultural significance in various societies and have been featured in folklore, art, and spiritual beliefs for centuries. They often symbolize traits such as longevity, wisdom, patience, and resilience. Turtles face numerous threats to their survival. Habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and illegal trade are some of the major challenges. Because of their slow reproductive rates, it's challenging for turtle populations to recover from significant declines. Conservationists and organizations worldwide work to protect turtles and their habitats. Efforts include establishing protected areas, monitoring nesting sites, reducing bycatch in fishing gear, and educating local communities about the importance of turtle conservation. Turtles continue to be subjects of scientific research. Studies on their behavior, physiology, ecology, and genetics contribute to our understanding of these fascinating creatures and their roles in ecosystems. The turtle's shell is composed of both internal and external parts. The carapace is the top part of the shell, formed from modified ribs and vertebrae. The plastron is the bottom part, consisting of fused bones. Scuts, the individual scales covering the shell, can vary in number, size, and arrangement. They can offer protection, aid in camouflage, and provide a distinctive pattern for species identification. Sea turtles, such as the loggerhead, leatherback, and green sea turtle, are well adapted to ocean life. They have strong flippers for swimming and specialized glands to excrete excess salt. Softshell turtles have a flexible, leathery shell that helps them maneuver in water and bury themselves in sediment. Tortoises, a subgroup of terrestrial turtles, are characterized by their heavy, dome-shaped shells and sturdy legs adapted for walking on land. Box turtles have a hinged plastron that allows them to retract their limbs completely, providing extra protection. Herbivorous turtles primarily consume plants, including various types of vegetation, leaves, fruits, and flowers. Carnivorous turtles eat insects, worms, small fish, and aquatic invertebrates. Some larger species may even consume small mammals or carrion. Female turtles typically lay their eggs in a carefully dug nest on land, often returning to the same nesting sites each year. The incubation period varies depending on the species and environmental conditions. Hatchlings use an egg tooth to crack the shell and emerge. Many species of turtles are listed as endangered or critically endangered due to habitat loss, pollution, accidental capture in fishing gear, and illegal trade. Efforts are being made to protect nesting sites, reduce bycatch, and implement breeding and release programs to bolster populations. Turtles are revered in various cultures. For example, in some Native American beliefs, the world is carried on the back of a great turtle, symbolizing stability and balance. In Hindu mythology, the turtle is associated with the god Vishnu and represents longevity and protection. Researchers study turtle nesting habits, migration patterns, genetics, and disease to better understand their ecology and contribute to conservation efforts. Advances in technology, such as satellite tracking and genetic analysis, have provided new insights into turtle behaviors and habitats. Turtles lack teeth but have sharp beaks adapted for their specific diets. Their respiratory system includes specialized lungs for breathing air, and some species, like the red-eared slider, can absorb oxygen through their skin while submerged. Turtles are a diverse group with a rich history and an essential role in maintaining ecosystem balance. Their unique adaptations and characteristics make them subjects of fascination for researchers, conservationists, and nature enthusiasts alike.